Yeah. Oh, that's London on the track when that shit back.
We got London on the track.
Swerving. How you look so perfect on your worst days? Double C it purchase, you deserve it.
Okay, so today's video is going to be a little different. We reached out to EasyLip on Instagram, and they just sent us a free product. We're going to try it out, give it a review, show you guys if it's any good, and then if we recommend it or not. So big shout out to them. First thing you want to do is clean the bumper so it adheres properly, apply it, and then we'll give it some tests.
So when you clean your bumper, you should apply some Goo Gone. Just get all the smudge off there. Get it nice and clean so that the Easy Lip sticks on there well.
And then after Goo Gone, you want to use rubbing alcohol and a microfiber towel. Get everything off. You gotta prep well for this. So.
You want the best results?
Yeah, make sure you in detail. Just take your time.
No rush, boys.
That's so satisfying. Like right up against. So.
Gotta make sure the Easy Lip is flush with the with your car, so it's right up against.
Install it. You don't want to pull this all off because it'll just get stuff on it and it won't stick right. So just peel it as you go. And go slow. Take your time. Make sure it's flush with the bottom.
Keyword here is flush. Look at that. It already looks good. Makes your car look lower. Protects your bumper. Yeah. It's nice.
But will it be durable?
Yeah, it's true. Will it be durable?
We'll do some tests after we apply it. Let it sit for a little.
He's gonna hit a 12-foot jump.
Run that back turbo.
Speed it up. Speed it up. Speed it up.
See how strong this thing really is. Okay, so the one problem that we've encountered so far is little corners like this. The tape can't get all the way up there. So if you push against it like this and hold it there, it kind of sucks, but if you hold it for about 5 minutes, it'll stick. I did it to this side. Made a pretty big improvement.
Yeah, this side's
You can barely see a gap now. Other than that, very easy to install so far. All I'm doing, taking this off piece by piece, looking under and just sticking it flush with the bottom, just like this. And you want to unravel the red protection tape over the 3M, just like that as you go along. And then keep going, and then once you get to the end, you're gonna cut it flush with this piece right here. So it looks perfect. You can also use these as side skirts for the side of your vehicle. Those are sweet too. But overall, it makes your car look lower. It's more aggressive. It's a cheap mod, under $100. Seems like it's durable so far. Good quality. So here, first I'm just gonna give myself some room. Make sure it's a straight cut. Just like that.
There you go. Easy Lip. How long did it take us?
Probably about 5 minutes, full installation.
Yeah.
It's more aggressive, cheap mod. As of right now, I would totally recommend, but we'll wait to see some tests, see if it's durable, and if it will really last in your car. First thoughts though? Well, that's nice. More aggressive.
Makes it look lower.
It looks like it's part of the bumper as well.
Yeah.
This is the one flaw.
So flaw right here.
The way you fix it, just hold it.
It totally depends on your bumper. Most people's bumpers aren't even like this.
Yeah. It's just for the 10th gen Civic. It's got a little indent right here. You just gotta hold it. Takes time, but It's worth it. What are your first thoughts?
I like it.
Yeah?
Makes it look neat. It makes the front end look nicer. It's like a small thing, but I like it.
Yeah, very small, but big impact. We'll throw a before and after picture up on the screen right here. Yeah, it looks nice. Very easy to install. About 5-10 minutes. Just some cleaning supplies and scissors. That's all you need. Just like that. Okay, let's run some tests.
Let's do it.
So I'll put a chart up on the screen right now, but the 4 tests we're going to be doing to see how durable this is and see if you should be buying this product for yourself is, first of all, the weather test, then the driving test, then the car wash test, and then the pull test. So it actually just stopped raining about an hour ago. It's been raining since this morning. It was downpouring earlier, and then it started slowing down, but it's still raining. So this is actually working great. The weather test just completed. Let's see what happened. To be honest, other than it being a little dirty, I don't notice any differences, any changes in the way it holds. Still appears to be stuck on there quite well. And we can check that off the list. So let's move on and let's do the driving test.
If I left, then it made no sense. And you tell your friends and they call your hands. Baby, never mind, baby, never mind, never mind, never mind. If I left, then it made no sense. And you tell your friends and they call your hands. Baby, never mind, baby, never mind, never mind. Alright, I'm ready now, ready now.
You guys, so I just finished driving around town for about 10-15 minutes, and within that time I was stopping, starting, accelerating, slowing down, and just doing typical driving. So let's see if it passed this test and see if it could have done better, could have done worse, and all the results. Okay, let's check it out. Once again, I don't notice any differences. It looks the exact same. Looks similar to how I installed it as of right now. Still would recommend, and we can check this off the list. So now let's move on to the car wash. Now let's see if it lasts.
Fast, 400 on the dash, 55 bills, but 50 for the taste on the bag. I don't really like to brag. Venom on socks when I'm stepping in the safe. I might hit it in the morning.
So I just went through an automatic car wash, and I'll go show you guys what happened. Car's looking nice and shiny. No specs. Went through automatic car wash, and absolutely no difference. So that turned out perfect. So we can check that off the list, and we'll do a quick pull test. Okay, so here we go. Grab it with my right hand. As you can see, I'm pulling pretty hard. Moving the whole car, actually. It's not even moving, so we can check that off the list. So it looks like it passes all of our tests. So obviously, if you're going for a cheap mod, going for a budget build, this is a great product. It's under $100, and it gives a nice mean look to your car. So I would totally recommend this. I would be upgrading to the Pro Edition if it was me, personally. I think it's only like 30 bucks more. You can find it on Amazon.ca. I can put a link in the description for you for both Canadian and American. And yeah, so I would totally recommend go out and buy one. I would be buying the Pro just because it's a little bit more durable, it's a little better product, and it sticks on a bit better. So yeah, there we go. There's the whip. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.